Hi guys, what's up, it's Bella. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're brand new. As you can tell by the title of this video, we're going to be doing a Lululemon declutter, and I'm selling everything, which is so exciting, so be sure to listen for the details on the selling portion. I recently just did a huge closet declutter, so I will be sure to link that down below for you guys. Y'all love that video, and I have so much Lululemon that doesn't fit me anymore, things that I don't wear, and I felt like it was time to just get rid of it. I'm actually moving in just a week from you seeing this, and like I always declutter before I move, so it's the perfect timing. Like I have had this video written down for a good amount of time, and I've been waiting for the right time to be able to film and post it. So right now is the correct time. The stars have aligned.
The stars aligned.
So the details on when I'm selling this stuff. So all of this stuff will be posted on the 20th of June. I know that sounds like so far away. It's only 19 days away, so be sure to set your calendars, set your clock. It is going to be the 20th of June. I am waiting that long because I am actually moving, and being able to like have a break to not sell things and package everything with the process of moving. I want to be able to have a smooth move and not have to worry about shipping packages out. So being able to post it all on the 20th gives me so much more time to be able to post the items, try them on for you guys, and also gives me time to be able to ship everything as soon as it's purchased. So set your clocks, set your alarms. Everything will be going live on the 20th, so be sure to stay tuned. I will also post it on my Instagram when everything goes live, and I will also do a YouTube announcement when it goes live as well. Without further ado, let's get started. I'm so excited to be able to go through all this stuff. I love doing declutters, and all of my stuff is in really good condition, so just know that if you're buying this stuff, you're getting everything in really good condition. So I keep everything in this middle drawer right here. I do have a little knob missing. It's just because my dad hasn't had time to glue it on, but let's go through everything because I have a huge Lululemon haul coming very soon, and I need more storage for it, so let's go. Also, one extra little side note, everything on my Lululemon is priced to the best of my ability. Poshmark does take a percentage off. I was gonna do all this on Depop, but I felt like more people had Poshmark. So Poshmark takes like 10 or 20% of all final sales, and all this is in, like I said, really good condition. So I just wanna make sure, you know, I'm getting, you know, the good amount that I deserve from this, but also, you know, selling it for not a crazy amount, because I want you guys to be able to have some clothing items from me. Woohoo! All right, let's go. All right, guys, here's the drawer. Let's open it. It's so messy, don't judge me. Oh my God, it's horrible. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Here's our space we're working with, and here are all the clothes. So I think we're just gonna start like piece by piece. So I'm gonna start over here. So these are some Wonder Unders. They're not Wonder Trains, and I just don't find that these like are good for working out. They're great for just chilling and out and about, but for working out, I don't see a use for them. So I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of these. These are a size 6 for reference, and they were a part of a limited edition collection. I do not have the matching bra, which totally sucks, but these are definitely really good condition. I never even wore them to work out. I just wore them for the try on in my haul, which was like 2 months ago. So great condition. Okay, so I think I have like shorts built in over here, kind of. Oh, I'm definitely keeping these. These are my Wonder Trains. I love working out in these, and I just got this color, so keeping those, but I'm gonna reorganize this drawer as we go. So that's why I'm, you know, doing all that. These are some Wonder Unders. I'm keeping these because I just like these for lounging around in. So those are being kept. I'm gonna put them right here. Let's see what's next. These are some Fast and Frees. I'm gonna keep these just because they are brand new. These are definitely so cute, but I don't have the matching bra, which totally sucks. Again, I never like got lucky on these, but I love this print. So I'm gonna keep it for that reason. I'm gonna keep it for the reason of loving the print and like the embossment on it. It's so cute. Okay, these are more Wonder Trains. Keeping those. Burgundy. Are these Wonder Trains or Wonder Unders? Let's see. Oh, they're Wonder Trains. Okay, definitely keeping these. I love the trains for working out. They're just great. I think these are Wonder Trains as well. Look at us, y'all. Okay. I promise there's a ton of stuff I'm getting rid of. It just gotta give me a minute to get to it. I can't remember if these shorts fit me or not, so I'm gonna go ahead and try these on and give you guys like a little look on them. I know that these don't, so I am gonna go ahead and get rid of these. And I just tried these on the other day and they didn't fit me. But these are size, I would like to say they're size 4, but I'll definitely look back at my order before I sell them so I can give you guys obviously the right, you know, size. But these are definitely really cute. They just, my butt got huge, so. Let's try on these because I think these might or might not. Okay, so it's not that they don't fit me because they definitely do. I would just prefer them to be like a little bit looser. These I would like to say are size 4s or 6s. I'll know in my email once I check that before I sell these. But they could definitely be a lot bigger, like more loose. So I'm gonna get rid of these. Okay, I'm also gonna get rid of these ones too. They fit the exact same. I hate all the shorts that are built in though with Lulu stuff, but whatever. They fit the exact same. I never wore these out. I literally only wore them for the try on. And then my booty decided to grow like 5 inches. So yeah, definitely gonna get rid of these, but I'm gonna repurchase them in my size, which I think maybe these are 6s. I can do an 8, maybe a 7 these because dump truck season is here. I see some hiding right here. I'm gonna try these on too, but I'm pretty sure these are gonna be the same as the others. But we'll give them a go because I'm already getting rid of these 2 pairs. I'm sure that these fit the exact same, but I'm gonna try just to be sure. Okay, yeah, these are also too tight. I'm at this point where I'm a little confused because I know a lot of people love them like being like this tight and stuff, but I see a lot of people wearing them like this, but I'm like, for me, I think with my body type and my like preference, like I think that these are too tight for me, and I go up 1 size just for a little bit more of like looseness. So these are like also like a camo, the dark camo. So cute. So getting rid of these 2. Also, I'm washing all of this stuff and like hand washing it and like drying it before I send it. Of course, like ew, just in case someone was gonna ask. All right, so we're gonna go to all of these back here. Oh, I just got these. I need to wear these. These are so cute. Okay, I'm keeping those, of course. I'm gonna keep all my Fast and Frees, even though I am gonna try wearing them with underwear because I've noticed that they ride up so much when I work out. Maybe that's because I don't wear underwear with them. So I'm gonna try wearing undies, and you know, if it doesn't work out and it, you know, whatever, I'll sell them by the time that the video is posted. So I'm actually gonna put them in, yep, this pile. I'm keeping those. So I'm just gonna keep all of them for now at this current moment. Oh my gosh, I love this Hottie Hot crop top. Keeping this, of course, duh, so cute. This I'm gonna keep even though it's like a little tight on me. They like took these away. They're called the Final Mile crop tops and they're my favorite, but they did stop selling them, but still gonna keep it. Okay, we have another Hottie crop top there. Let's see, I'm gonna keep this one as well. Have a few of those. I'm going to get rid of these cinched up tanks. I don't like these at all, Oh wait, I'm totally getting my piles mixed up. Okay, wow, so I'm keeping all of those 3. I'm getting rid of this one, okay, and I'm keeping this, duh. Okay, gosh, I got myself scared for a second. Oh, I love these t-shirts. Okay, keeping. Okay, another cinched up tank. Selling. What else in here? I'm gonna keep these. These are the Wonder Train biker shorts. Keeping this top. I'm gonna keep this top even though I don't know what to wear under it. Let's see if I can show you guys what it looks like real quick. It's called like the LA cutout crop tank. I've had it for a few months. Oh, it's so cute. I just gotta figure out what to wear under it. Maybe like the Flow Y bras. I don't know. I'm gonna keep it though. Keep. Okay, I just got this and it's like a little wash like tank. Oh my god, I love that. Adorable. What else? What else? This is the pivot tank. I'm gonna keep that. Oops, I have a thread, a random thread. Put that right there. I'll get it later. Definitely gonna keep that. These are some more shorts. I'm sure that these don't fit me either. So we're gonna get rid of those. And then we're also going to, this Align tank. I'm gonna sell one of them. I actually don't really like these Align tanks that much, to be honest. I don't like the cut on the front. So I'm gonna get rid of that one. What's this? This is a muscle tank. Keeping. Duh. T-shirt. Keeping. Wonder Trains. Keeping. Bra. Keeping. I love this bra, y'all. It's so cute. It's like doubled. Look how adorable. I love it. Keeping. Okay, look, that's the keeping pile so far. Here's the getting rid of pile. I mean, it's all like thinner stuff, but it's so cute. Like, it's still good stuff to like sell. Duh. Nike Pros. Keeping. Duh. I don't know why they're in there though. Random. What's this? An Align tank. I'm gonna keep this black one. I like the black one better. This is like a little workout towel. I'm gonna keep that for when I sweat. I'm gonna get rid of these black ones and buy some new ones. I'm gonna keep these Wonder Unders because I just bought those. This is, oh, I think this is the EBB like top. I love these. Keeping those, but I'm gonna like stick them out here. So it's like that. What do y'all think about all these twops? I mean, there's like a few leggings and there's a few tops. I actually really do enjoy like the t-shirts to work out in. These are like the Race 2.0 ones. I don't know the exact name. So that's staying. I definitely love this. Need to wear that. I don't really like this top that much. I'm gonna get rid of that one. And then keeping these two. Even though, wait, which one of them is weird? I have one of them that's like so weird. I think it's this one. Yeah, I don't like the top. I don't like the way it does around the top. Oh, keeping these Aligns, duh. Adorable. Definitely keeping that muscle tank as well. Put that right there. Okay, this is a huge pile. A lot of this stuff is also leaving my closet. So here we go. Let's like space it out first and then go through it. I know that this definitely doesn't fit me, which makes me so sad. It's just like super tight, so I'm gonna sell that for sure. Okay, I know this doesn't fit me because this is in a size 6 when I always go one size bigger, and the Energy Bra long lines always go one size bigger. So I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of that one. This I'm keeping. I know that's like my size. A lot of these I just like purchased because I knew that I needed bigger sizes than them. This, oh, I do have the top. What? Now I can sell it as a set? That's so cute. Wait, I love that. And this top is a size 8, so I did get this in my size. Well, that's good to know, but still going bye-bye. I love this. I just recently purchased this. It's so cute. Keeping, let's see. Keeping, this is my size. This is my size. I remember I just purchased all these in my size. This, it's not my size. It's going bye-bye. It's such a pretty color though. I love that color. Keeping those. Keeping this red. I just bought this in my size. It's the Energy Bra long line. I get an 8. I'm typically a 6, so that tells you anything about how they run. I'm gonna keep this Align tank even though I'm gonna get a few use out of it and not want it anymore because I'm horrible like that. This is what? The size 8. Oh my gosh, yay! I just bought this. Cool. I was about to be so scared I didn't have any nude ones. Keeping that. Getting rid of these shorts because they don't fit me anymore. Keeping this guava pink top. Getting rid of this high neck. I don't like the high neck long lines. I just don't find it practical for me. But I'm gonna keep this Energy Bra long line as well. Gonna keep this one. Gonna keep these Aligns right here. Keeping all my black Aligns because like I always need those. So those are all staying. I'm gonna get rid of the Fast and Free leggings though. These are them. Yeah, I've worn these like 2 or 3 times. And I just don't like the lines on them personally, like when I work out. I like Wonder Trains better, so I'm gonna sell those. This is like a little Amazon set, which I'm definitely keeping. I love Amazon for their sets. This is another Amazon top. Keeping Amazon top. So these I'm definitely keeping. Keep. I don't think any of these I was planning on getting rid of because they're all Align leggings that fit me super well. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna keep all these too. Okay, I did good, y'all. This is still like a lot of stuff. Look at this, all this stuff. Oh my gosh, I got rid of a good amount though. But I'm also keeping a good amount, but it's Lulu, you know? But like, I'm so sad this doesn't fit me anymore. Ugh, so sad. Okay, y'all, that's everything that I'm selling and getting rid of. Everything is in, like I said, amazing condition. I'm gonna post photos, of course, on Poshmark when I sell all this stuff. Be sure to set your alarms for June 20th. It's not going up at a certain time. I'm just gonna post it probably in the morning time. I'm in Easter time if that helps you. Definitely probably before like 12 o'clock in the afternoon. But yay! Oh my god, I'm so excited I was able to go through this and I'm able to sell it for you guys at like a discounted price. Some of this stuff isn't worn, so I'll knock it down just a little bit, but if it's been worn a few times and washed, I'll be sure to, you know, mark it down a good amount. But I always hand wash all my Lulu and I don't dry it in the washer. I let it to lay out to dry. So nothing has altered in sizing whatsoever. I love y'all so much. My Poshmark is going to be on the screen, so be sure to follow it. I will also have a link to it down below. Again, June 20th, if you forgot, even though I've mentioned it a million times, I'm just kind of reiterating it so you guys know. If you guys want to see my closet declutter, be sure to check it out. I'll be doing a Lululemon collection in the near future, so if you guys want that, stay tuned, maybe in like a month or 2. I don't have it planned out, but if you guys want that, I'm always here. I'm always here to do what you guys want. But I'm glad we got rid of all of this, y'all. It makes me so happy to know that like I am decluttering. I'm making space for new arrivals. But I'm still making space, you know? It's a win-win. It's a win-win. I love you guys so much. Stay happy, stay positive. Always be the best person that you could ever be. Compliment someone today. Give someone a genuine compliment. If you like their shoes, tell them you like their shoes. If you like their smile, tell them you like their smile. I've always noticed that those little compliments that I get throughout the day or I give throughout the day, it just creates a more kind environment and a more accepting environment. So be nice to people, because something I've also learned is that you never know what someone is going through behind the scenes. So that little compliment that you give them, obviously make it genuine, could fully change their attitude, their day, their mood, whatever. So just love people, love on them, because God loves everyone. All right, I love you guys. Bye! See you soon to sell all this fun stuff. Woohoo!